is part of the Army Med Group, and I'm at F4, F4 going on a J270. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. That was probably supposed to be a spinny.
I thought my dad emailed you that.
That's why Chase got the earbuds.
It just disappeared.
Oh, it's up there, it's up there.
Alright, we've got something really exciting here. Out on James and Chase going for a Tripoli record here. This is a G15. Yeah. So this is going to be a record. We have our certifiers, Kurt Boogisberg, who's standing next to me, and Mike Osby. We're good to go. You guys all good? All right, let's rock it here. Out on pad D6. Tripoli record 2-stage going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
Come on.
You got a boat. You around someplace?
I think almost between anywhere here in the country.
When is it? Albertson is of none. Okay, this is a NAR level 1. Aaron playing out on F2. F2, we got continuity going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
As long as it works recorded. You've got two altimeters in there.
Got another shoot there. That was cool. Got a shoot. Congratulations. Welcome to High Power. Out on pad F3, we got Henry and Paul playing his Deuces Wild on G20s. You flew this yesterday. Is this the same one, Greg?
Yeah.
Okay. Out on pad F4. F4, we got continuity going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got them both. That was cool.
Yeah. Those ones are always... Oh, wait, I got it. It wiggles and then both of them.
And got a shoot. Nice job. Good job, Greg. At I2.
What is this? Because it's coming out of the computer screen.
I have I2 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then I was trying to...
Well, I was about to say that is better, but I was a little early.
And it came up with an error again, and I thought I heard...
G2 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Which rocket was yours? B8. Oh, B8? Yeah.
Over. S or something like that.
Oh, Sean, should be 12.
That's that G3. Got continuity.
I don't think it came out
G3 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Sean.
Middle on a rocket named Skibby. This is G4. G4 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thought about it for a moment, but then it flew. Oh, event, shoot, looks perfect. Precision, lock 4, rocket. I have continuity. This is G4. Wait a minute. Correction, G5. Sky is clear. G5 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. I heard, there it goes. It's thinking about it. No, we have a fire under it. Something went wrong. Maybe a 205 motor on an egg timer, on a mentions egg timer, that's usually like egg timer EZ-DD. This is on pad G6. G6 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That part's good. Arcing over. Event. I see it shoot. Looks good. This is pad D4.
Oh, that's really high. That's a high one. Where did mine go?
We have a rocket coming down fast. It's out an open link bed. Well, it's in a flat spin, so that's a lot better than 20 straight balance.
Oh, watch out, guys. It's coming down like a rock.
Well, that stays out in the lake bed where there's nobody to hit, that's fine. And in a flat spin, there's a good chance that it'll be okay. It will not be damaged or anything. P5, David Smith, Mad Palace Hornets. P5. D5 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It says on here, Mike Osby witness.
They all have eggs. The contest is to make sure your egg don't fly
Okay.
up and
F2, Hanson Baker, G-Force Apogee on the Aerotech H135. This is F2.
the next level after this.
F2 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What did I get for it's not second. What did I get for
And it's up.
all the way back.
An event any kind now would be nice. And that is a level 1 NAR cert. F3
No, I'm gonna purposely buy it though.
going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
He's about to cry. He was ready to go.
Hey, listen. The girl, I was trying to make myself look good.
Yeah, you told me
But
that.
reality, she's ugly.
Event, shoot, looks good. Feet, that's neat. Okay. At F5. F5 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right up. That was good.
And there she goes, almost perfect deploy, except for one thing. Part of the rocket is still attached, just a long cord. 5-man AT-7 kit. This is I-1. I-1 shows continuity. I-1. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, the first, third, I did that once.
Arcing over. Event. We are launching a rocket. They built it themselves and going on a K-535. This is a practice run. It's a heads up because this is their first build out there. But kids, you guys all ready? Let's hear it. All right, we're going out on pad I3. I3, we got continuity. Good, Chris. Out of pad I3, K535. So we can go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. It's going. Okay, this is a motor injection here. Like I said, they did it all themselves. It's pretty cool stuff. And then back, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that was literally a red. And they make it red by adding a little. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oops, operator error. I had the wrong button switch. G3 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This works better when you got the control. It was a 5-foot 6 foot. This is on G6. G6 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swim.
Oh, plane. Yo, Nico. Wait, no, but if anyone hits the bottom
on the question, on the question, it says done something with the opposite.
That's it for high power raw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. There it goes into the wild wheel under.
That's the first time I've ever had one of those
2, 1.
Good flight, good boost.
Pretty good disappearing guy. And it's arcing over. 3, 2, 1, go.
I think they tried launching G4.
I love the way those talons take off. Kind of like a slow lift up, no matter what motor you put in
They
it.
didn't.
And we have that. Very good.
Well, the thing is, the nose
With
was
start 3 on the G250W. I2.
I mean,
Going on
thin
5,
area.
4,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
2, 1, go. Like
One right next to us. Yeah. There's no way. I believe it.
Nice and straight.
I'm like Bobby Bullet or whatever. That works. Bullet Bobby? Yeah. For his first flight? Car?
That's the registration table.
He's moving. Hey, I was like centered in the bunker. He's like, no.
That kid, that cow, Ford X, the J7. Good.
I can tell you it works.
We're good? Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Weathercocking twin.
You're not gonna weather.
12-inch. They said they had a funny name.
Mike Kramer on I-5 going on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Light. Woo.
Maybe he didn't put a foreclosure on.
Pretty sure. Well,
It's an I-500, so it's
good
pretty hard
ejection
to
chart.
Something open. Yeah. So Kramer knows.
Great big huge rocket.
Huge. I want
This
it.
is
I'll take one.
Otis, this is
It's worth it.
built rocket
Looks
called
majestic as fuck.
Betty Crockett with an L1000. I know that motor. This Sky Clear. Big Betty going on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Like it, bugger. There's a flame.
What were they using for an adapter?
You want to just two-man like?
I did. I came out. Going on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch. Trying to send it to Pickerville. Part is on a K895R. We have continuity. Range and sky are clear. I-7 on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on! There's some fire! Those grids and beats are hard to fight. Don't want to give up on them too early. See something shiny up there? We got eyes on that guy? All right. Yeah. I see the 3, 2, 1. That must be a light rocket. I did not expect that level of performance. Okay, we're going to go over to the G rows, the F rows. No? No, you're good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! That's a walk motor. Little drag separation. Yeah!
It's the greatest staging flight ever. I should show you guys my straddle logger. I have a new limited edition black one. Whoa! It still works. It's just black. No way.
Yeah, it's like
So crazy. It's awesome.
I hope the barrel sensor is okay.
It's like I can swap it.
2, 1, go!
That was unexpected. The bullet.
It makes ours unique in case somebody is camping.
What's your name?
Okay.
Want to do the countdown now?
Perfect.
5, 4,